Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the fuel line between the shutoff valve and the fuel tank on your Honda engine, you will need a pair of pliers. Before you begin the procedure, make sure the engine has cooled and the fuel tank is empty. Use the pliers to help release the two spring clamps so you can detach the old fuel line from the fuel shutoff valve and the tank. To prepare the new fuel line for installation, transfer the fuel filter from the old line to the new one. Insert the fuel filter into the fuel tank port as you slide the fuel line over the port. Attach the opposite end of the fuel line to the shutoff valve. Position the two spring clamps to secure the new line if necessary. Refill the fuel tank, and your engine should be ready for use.